better wires that will last longer. Plus, there is some power up for grabs by simply upgrading your Harley's spark plug wires. Click the link in the upper right to see this video in email format. Are your spark plug wires a weak link?
Now, the last thing you want to do is leave performance on the table because you're using an inferior spark plug wire. Something as simple as a spark plug wire. Now, a lot of people always ask, what plug should I run? What coil? Well, you can do all that, but if your spark plug wires are a weak link, you've thrown money in the trash.
Yeah.
What makes DK Custom's performance wires better?
All we did was take the old plug wires off, put new plug wires on, and we had a 4 to 5% increase in power.
People often ask us, do you have wires for my Harley?
We sell coil relocation kits. So a lot of our wires are pre-assembled for the coil relocation kits. Now that doesn't mean we don't have wires for your bike. So we do have wires for your bike. In fact, we have universal length wires. So what we're going to talk about today is how you determine how to get plug wires for your bike from our website. And so we'll show you this wire first. It's a 10-inch wire, works perfectly if you have a coil relocation kit. So I got a picture of that on the screen now. You'll see the wires are equal length, roughly a little over 10 inches each. Now we offer these coil relocation kits for Sportsters and twin cams. So you're asking yourself, I have an OEM application, one wire is longer than the other. So all you need to do, measure those wires. The universal wires we offer, they're 24 inches in length. I don't know of any OEM wires that are longer than 24 inches. For example, I got one here off a Sportster. It's about 18 to 19 inches long.
But OEM wires are like this. These inexpensive, cheap, thin wires versus the wires that we sell, you can see they're quite a bit heavier duty.
Yeah, much beefier. They're going to last a little longer. They're going to do their job for a lot longer.
DK's Performance Spark Plug Wires pairs nicely with our coil and key relocation kits. There are links for coil relo kits in the description below.
All right, so when you have a larger core, it's better spark, carries the current better, and that can translate into better throttle response and things like that. And overall, they last longer than the OEM wires just because they're beefier. There are other things such as the insulation. The insulation is silicone. So it's a much better insulated wire than the OEM wires or the Screaming Eagle wires. And they come in a variety of fitments.
Customize the look of your Harley with a coil relo and better wires. Please note, black is currently the only available color for M8 touring models. Remember to sign up on our mailing list if you haven't already. Thanks for watching this video version of our email. There is a link to the actual email in the description below. Y'all ride safe.